Pretzel?
Come on, they're doing dizzy bag. I want to make them say, come on.
Yeah.
They're on a workout regimen.
Hey fans, once again, let's draw your attention down to the home plate area. That's Pastor Mark Randall. Quick duck into the dugout. He's got a couple of bats and a couple of gladiators. Jared and Aaron are going to have a shot at the Dizzy Bat Race. And we're the Ridgemen. We're going to spin around 5 times and sprint to Mark Randall. On your mark, get set, spin. There you go, buddy. Finish strong. Excellent. Great drama here at the basket. Just give me a hand.
Give them high fives as you go by. Give the players high fives as you go by. Good job. Good, guys.